The plant pictured here is Pelargonium hortorum, the zonal geranium, and it gets that common name zonal that refers to the zones of coloration on the leaf blade. So here you can see in the middle of the leaf you have a darker green color, and then on the outer edge of the leaf blade you have more of a yellowish green color. Zonal geranium usually gets 6 inches to 3 feet tall, depending on the cultivar. Usually going to find it to be somewhere in the middle there height-wise. It tends to form a nice rounded mound. The stems and petioles of zonal geranium are pubescent, and you'll find pubescence on the leaves as well. And here is a leaf, and you'll notice that the leaf arrangement is opposite. Now, at first glance, this may look somewhat similar to a begonia leaf because it is sort of glossy, but geranium leaves have a very distinctive leaf shape. We call this reniform, which means kidney-shaped. It's really shaped just like a kidney. Also, if you look at the leaf margin, you have crenate teeth along the leaf margin, and we do have palmate venation here. Another interesting thing about the leaves is they are peltate. So the petiole comes straight in to the underside of the leaf instead of into the side of the leaf, as is typical for most plants. So if you were to snap off one of these leaves, it would look like a little umbrella with the petiole going straight up into the underside of the leaf. Now again, you do sometimes have zonation of colors in the leaves for Pelargonium hortorum. It could be dark green and a yellowish green as shown here, or in some cases you'll have more of a reddish brown zone in the middle and then a lighter color on the outside. So it depends on the cultivar. The flowers of zonal geranium are borne in umbels, and you can see that the pedicels are pubescent as well. They can be red, pink, white in color, so typically they're in the carotenoid pigments. However, you will find a lot of pink geraniums. In addition, if you look closely at the petals, if you were to remove a petal of Pelargonium hortorum, you would notice that the petal itself had a little stalk on it, and that's called a claw. So terminal umbels of red, pink, or white flowers. You may find other colors out there, but those are the most common. And those umbels are going to stick up pretty far above the foliage of the plant. And here you can just see that umbel again. The flowers do have 5 petals as shown here, and they do also have actinomorphic symmetry. So that concludes our discussion of the zonal geranium Pelargonium hortorum.